Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make oven baked fish. It's a very delicious, healthy and easy to prepare recipe. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here one fish. It weighs a kilogram. I cleaned it well from outside and inside. Then I made cuts in it. A quarter cup of olive oil, 1 spoon of ground coriander, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, half spoon of cumin, and some salt. We also gonna need 1 big spoon of chopped garlic, some onions cut in circles, and some carrots cut in pieces like you see in the video, and some lemon. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our dish. First, the fish that I showed you before, it has to be cleaned very well from inside and outside. Then make some cut in both sides like you see. And now we gonna marinate it. In a big bowl, put the spices, add over it the garlic and the olive oil, mix all together, then marinate the fish. After finishing marinated our fish, cover it and put it on the fridge for around 2 hours. After 2 hours, on the oven tray, put an aluminum foil on it. Put over it some parchment paper. Then spread the onion over it and the carrots. Add some salt and black pepper over it. Then put over it our fish. In the cuts that we have in our fish, put some slice of lemon. Cover it up. And in an oven with 200 degrees of temperature, put it in the middle shelf and leave it for around hour and a half. After hour and a half, uncover it and thin the heat from the top and leave it cooking for around 10 more minutes. As you see, I add some shrimp with the fish, but it's up to you if you wanna do that. When the fish is done, take it out, and this is our fish grilled in the oven. Put it on the plate, and that's it. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.